doing some O2 sensor replacement. Right there, you see the hole. The reason I'm able to get this good ass footage, because I'm sitting in the passenger fender well, just showing you. This is like literally how close I am to it. So it's the upstream. I already replaced this one. 22 mil. They go up in here. And disconnect. And have it ready to go for the new one. The other one is right here. Here's the new one I'm about to plug in. Oh yeah, that's a good thumbnail right there. Like I said, there's the new one I already plugged in. Already connected right there. There's a bunch of videos how to replace these. I mean, you see, there's literally no room to do anything. Starter right there. Even if I recorded down here, that's about as much you can see. So, and the only reason I was able to sit in the fender well, because I got my truck on these on them rhino ramps, and then I sit right here. I was all up in here sitting right here. So depending on if you're 200 pounds skinny like me, that's why I was able to take my phone, go like this, boom. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug it in, and then go up in there. Make sure she sits nice and right. And a little hack you can do. Is take your 22 mil. Well, don't break it, but if you can fit this side in, right here, over the connector, so it'd be like, only you can fit that in. So that was a little hack, but just go up in there and just tighten her. Move on to the next side. It's all the same. Just you can either buy you the 22 mil, this right here. You can either buy you the 22, or you can waste $10 like I did and wait for the special tool to come in. But the tool's not gonna be here until Wednesday, so I want to get this done now. So yeah, you can either wait for the special tool, it's called like the O2 sensor tool or something like that, or you can wait for, or you could just get right on it and just go get you that 22 mil. Even a wrench, you know what I'm saying? A small enough wrench with a breaker bar or whatever. That's what it is. So comment. I know this video ain't really that much help, but if it is, comment. You have any questions?